This volcano in Indonesia erupted on Sunday, killing 11 hikers and sending ash nearly 3 kilometers into the air. The volcano is known as Mount Merapi, and it's one of Indonesia's most active volcanoes in the province of West Sumatra. 12 other hikers are still missing. However, rescue operations were temporarily halted due to a second eruption. In some of the videos, you can see people covered in ash. This volcano has been active since January, but it's not the first time that it has caused some trouble. In 1979, 60 people were killed in the volcano's deadliest eruption. Authorities have urged residents not to get anywhere near the crater.